We're always approached by clients on how we do our furniture. So today we are doing something different. Right now we are cutting white oak. White oak is a piece of hardwood that grows in Meru. So that's where we usually purchase it from. So as from the video you can see what we are doing right now. We are lathing on the legs for a rattan on wood bench. So you can see the process of how this gets done, the lathe works and everything. This is how the bench will look like. So right now we are on the second phase of lathing the legs. We already did the lathe. So right now we want to sand it so that it can be as smooth as possible before joinery. Just like I said, what we are making is a rattan on wood bench, but the framework is from white oak, and white oak is also hardwood, but it originates in the eastern part of Kenya, which is in Meru, the sides of Timor. So we always purchase it in a place called Rongo. So right now, as you're seeing, this guy is busy doing the lathe on this rattan and wood bench. So as soon as we are done with lathing, we shall do first the legs, then after the legs we come to the pole. Yeah, just enjoy as I take you through to how this is being done.
Oh, hizo tatu. Wacha tufanye Monday.
Now we're on the second part. What happens here? We decided that we are going to, once the pieces of wood are left, we are going to put dowels. So as you can see, these are the legs. They have already been doweled with the dowel fixtures. As you can see, first he has to apply wood glue. Thereafter, he has to pin the dowel inside. This is how the process is done. Then he has to cut it, just as he's doing. Thereafter, he'll be able to make a hole on the legs and recess all these pieces of wood there. So I'll explain on the next step. Keep watching, guys, and please don't forget to like and share our content.
Tool number 1.
That is the first tool. Na lighting yangu pia hii ya kawaida. Moja ninunua na 50,000. Na nimeifanya for 15 years. Consistent. Si ati unaweka wengi wanaweza fanya hivyo. Unanicheka. Mimi ndio natakanga nimpatie. Unajua TikTok niko na 80,000. YouTube peke yake. Kenya. Ni Amerika na Russia. Imagine.
Ile kitu yenye na shoot.
Najua huwezi toa hiyo.
Labda ikuwe ile kitu yenye hata na shoot.
Which one is that one, Dapi? Na unajua kuna AI?
Tengeneza hiyo joint.
Joint ya.
Kubwa.
Wasifu wanafundisha nini?
Huyo wa kuchonga sasa.
Kwani shida ilikuwa nini?
Anatumia mpaka bangi.
On the next step, we are going to have the bench oven. First, to bind the cane, we always use something called Rattan splint cane. It's usually flat cane that is used to bind on frames, just as you're seeing what has been done. Thereafter, we use 3.5 millimeter as a support system during weaving. Then after using the 3.5 or 4 millimeter, thereafter we start weaving, directly weaving on the frame. We shall use a smaller piece of cane, which is around 2.5 to 2 millimeters. And then we always have to put like 3 pieces of cane to help it to support, so that when you're weaving it doesn't cave in. Keep liking the video, guys. Keep sharing it. Enjoy. This is now the product, the Rattan on wood bench. This will be ready for finishes. Thank you guys. Kindly like and subscribe.